Hello everyone, my name is Nova Zahra Febrianti. I'm a third student from class 3B of the Islamic Education Management Study Program. Today I will present a journal entitled The Motivation of Islamic Education Students in Learning English. Globalization and modern era require the current generation to master English as the international communication language. English is one of the languages studied from elementary to university level and is widely used worldwide. Based on the latest curriculum, apart from learning Arabic language, the Islamic education makes English as the general basic subject that should be learned from semester 1 to semester 2. This condition is in accordance with the development of the modern era, which demands students to master foreign languages. However, the researcher found that there is a case when the students are interested in learning English, but on the other hand, they lack motivation in learning English. Therefore, motivation becomes an important aspect in the learning process, especially in foreign language learning. Next, I will explain the literature review of this journal. Motivation is an encouragement in human to do something that aims to achieve a goal. In education, motivation has an important role in the learning process because it influences students' persistence and learning outcomes. Students who have high motivation in learning will certainly try their best to get the best result. Motivation refers to the underlying reasons behavior which is characterized by willingness and volition. Motivation also plays a crucial role in foreign language learning because it provides the first push to initiate a successful language learning process. There are several definitions of motivation proposed by experts, but generally motivation can be classified into internal and external factors that influence students in learning English. Then, let us move to the research method. The study is descriptive qualitative. The population were the students at first semester of Islamic Education Department of Nahdlatul Ulama Indonesia University. The sample were 43 students that were taken by simple random sampling technique. The data were taken by online interview questionnaire using Google Form application. The questionnaire used open-ended questions to allow students to express their opinions regarding motivation in learning English. The data analysis was carried out by processing each answer using descriptive methods to analyze students' motivation in learning English. After that, I will explain the result and discussion in this journal. The results showed that Islamic education students have high motivation in learning English. There were external and internal factors that influence students' motivation to learn English. External factors include the lecturer personality, teaching and learning methods, and the social environment in which students live and study. The role of the lecturer and the learning environment greatly influence student enthusiasm and comfort during the learning process. Meanwhile, the internal factors that influence students' motivation are interest and goal. Most students state that English is important language because it is an internal language that is used globally in education, work, and daily life. Finally, let us move to the conclusion. Islamic education students at University Nahdlatul Ulama Indonesia have high motivation to learn English. The motivation is influenced by external factors such as lecturers' personality, teaching and learning method, and the social environment. In addition, internal factors, including interest and goal, also play an important role in motivating students to learn English. Based on the result of the study, students' motivation in learning English is categorized at a high level.